Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn events to promote webinars and networking calls, full guide step by step clearly. To enable LinkedIn events, first, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your home page by clicking the LinkedIn logo in the top left corner. In the top menu, locate the work icon. Click on the work icon to open a drop-down menu. Scroll down and select events from the options provided. On the Events page, click on the Create Event button in the top right corner. Fill in the event details, including the event name and date. Select whether your event will be online or in person. If it's an online event, choose your preferred platform for hosting. Add a description that clearly outlines what attendees can expect. Upload a relevant cover image that visually represents your event. Set the privacy settings for your event to determine who can see and join. For networking calls, consider setting the event to either public or connections only based on your audience. Once all details are filled in, review the information to ensure accuracy. When ready, click the Create Event button at the bottom of the form. After creation, share the event link in your network and on other platforms to boost visibility. Encourage connections to RSVP by sending personalized invites from the event page. Monitor the event page for any questions or comments from attendees, and respond promptly. As the event date approaches, send reminders through LinkedIn and other channels. After the event, consider posting a summary or highlights on your LinkedIn feed to maintain engagement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.